In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use stroke feature of CapCut. The stroke, or outline, is a simple effect that makes your subject pop from the background and adds a clean, professional look. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set it up and choose a style that fits your project. Start by opening CapCut on your computer or in the browser. Give the timeline a moment to load, and create or open a project where you want to add the outline effect. If you already have a timeline set up, great. Just make sure you're on the correct sequence and your canvas size matches your final video. Next, add your image. You can drag and drop the file straight onto the timeline, or use the import button. Place the image on a video track, then scale and position it in the preview so it sits where you want it. This helps you see how the stroke will look in context, especially if you're planning text, graphics, or a background behind it. Now, remove the background automatically. Select your image clip, then look for the background removal or cutout option and click it. CapCut will analyze the subject and isolate it from the background for you. This is what allows the stroke to hug the edges of your subject instead of outlining a rectangle. This may take a while, especially with high-resolution images or complex edges like hair or fabric. Keep the app open and let it process. When it's done, play back a few seconds to confirm the cutout looks clean. If you see small, stray edges, don't worry. The stroke will often help disguise those minor imperfections. With the image selected, find the stroke controls. Depending on your layout, you'll see it in the right-hand panel under Style or Effects. Click Strokes to reveal the options. If you don't see it immediately, ensure the cutout is selected, because stroke settings appear contextually. Finally, choose any design you like. You can pick a solid outline for a crisp, graphic look, or a glow-style stroke for a more dynamic, attention-grabbing outline. Adjust the size to control thickness, and choose a color that contrasts with your subject and background. White, black, and bold brand colors often work well. Preview your choice by scrubbing the timeline. Look for clean edges and balanced thickness. If the outline overwhelms the subject, reduce the size. If it's too subtle, bump it up a notch. When it feels right, you're done. That's all you need to use the stroke feature in CapCut. Open, add your image, remove the background, let it process, click strokes, and pick the design that fits your style.